Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is the Cookbook Kitchen, the home of cookbook recipes, and I am Carol. Today I'm going to show you how to make a creamy, low-carb parsnip mashed potato alternative that is not only delicious but also vegan friendly. Whether you're trying to reduce carbs or you're just looking for a new recipe, it's a new year, you want new inspiration in the kitchen, this recipe is for you. And today we are not cooking from a cookbook. We are using Claudia's website, Creative in My Kitchen. That is where I got this recipe, and I will put the link of that recipe below so you can go there, check it out so that you can try out this recipe. Welcome to today's video, and let's see what you're working with. Karibu sana. This is what you're working with today. I have some parsnips. I decided to chop them, but let me show you a parsnip for those who don't know what parsnip is. This is it. So I will chop them. I have some hazelnuts, onion, garlic, rosemary, salt and not black pepper, salt and allspice. Yes. Before you chop them, you need to brush and wash them thoroughly. So let me chop them, and then the recipe says after you chop, you rinse them in cold water. Here's our water. We put some cold water. Then we add our salt. We let the parsnip boil for around 15 to 20 minutes or until they are fork tender. While the parsnips are boiling, so we go to the next step. Get some olive oil, our chopped onions, and our rosemary. You're going to saute the onions for around 5 to 7 minutes. Let's check the parsnips. See if they're ready. I think they're ready. As you can see, fork tender, fork tender. I'm going to get half a cup of the water. Put it there. Then I drain the rest. After draining, we blend. I'm going to blend, and the hot water that we've put aside, I'm going to use it to adjust my puree to my desired consistency. add just a little water. I think I like it like that. Our onion is over here. Forgot to show you guys, I added the garlic. So we are going to pour the onion in this mixture. We put our rosemary aside a bit. I add some olive oil, the allspice. Then I mix. This is where you put your salt and pepper to taste. Don't forget to check your salt. Mine needs some more salt. The recipe says that you blend again, but I don't think I will. I like this consistency. Look at that! I think mine is ready. So the only remaining thing is to put it in a plate and toast it with some hazelnuts and some more olive oil. Yeah! Let me taste it first for you before I put it in the plate. Looks nice, eh? This is the first time I'm trying out this recipe and I'm already falling in love. Ah! It's really sweet. Eh? Really, really sweet. I feel like I'm eating sweet potato. It's not sweet potato. It's like I'm eating sweet potato mixed with some carrots. I don't know. But it tastes really nice. This tastes really nice. Let me know in the comment section, what would you have it with? What are you going to pair this meal with? Are you going to use beef, chicken, fish? Or suggest in the comment section of all recipes that you know of Claudia, whether from her website or from her 2 books. She has 2 books and we've cooked from both of them. What would we pair this meal with from her cookbooks? Hii ni mambo yote. The taste of the onion, and I haven't even put the hazelnuts, and I already love it. Let me finish up this recipe.